the swimmers get into this race, I would just remind you that following the girls 40 years silver butterfly, we will make presentations for the first 3 events. We will then swim 6, and then presentations for 6, swim 6, and then the whole presentation. So we will need the breaststrokers following the girls 40 silver fly. I will remind you. It's Max Windle, they're with a very good lead, coming up to the halfway point. Max made it into the final with about 2 seconds, maybe a second and a half over his nearest rival, who's Mark from Alton, in lane 5. And scoring the spearhead over in lane 2, that's Connor from Planet.